Yo, welcome to the coolest cul-de-sac in Altavista, Virginia. This 1909 beauty is serving looks with a massive lot, a fenced yard that screams Party Central, and a goldfish pond that's basically a VIP lounge for fish. Oh, and that two-car garage. It's got a sneaky upstairs suite with a private entrance and full bath. Perfect for your VIP guests or your TikTok filming studio. Step inside and bam! The living room hits you with all the vibes. Refinished hardwood floors are shining like they just got a glow up, and those arched doorways and transom windows. Pure architectural flex. Sunlight's pouring in like it's ready to party, making this spot the ultimate hangout for Netflix marathons or epic game nights. Slide into the kitchen, where old school charm and modern magic collide. Picture yourself whipping up gourmet snacks or just microwaving popcorn in a space that's got that vintage soul with all the modern fixings. Think shiny appliances and cabinets that could hide a treasure trove of snacks. This crib's got 3 cozy bedrooms, including a first-floor primary suite that's 11 by 14 feet out of pure chill. Each room's a blank canvas ready for your vibe. Think LED lights, funky posters, or whatever makes you feel like royalty. Two full bathrooms mean no one's fighting for shower time. These bad boys likely mix classic style with modern must-haves, so you're soaking in a clawfoot tub 1 minute and enjoying a high-pressure shower the next. Convenience, nailed it. Oh, the sunroom? It's like stepping into an Instagram-worthy paradise. Flooded with light, it's your go-to for sipping coffee, scrolling X, or turning it into a jungle of plants. Bonus points, it's got killer views of the backyard where those goldfish are living their best life. Back to that garage. Above it, there's a private suite that's basically the cherry on top. Own entrance, full bathroom, endless possibilities. Airbnb hustle, gamer's paradise, artist's retreat. This space is ready to steal the show. Calling all creators. The partial basement's got a workshop that's begging for your next big project. Whether you're building a skateboard ramp, crafting a masterpiece, or just hoarding tools, this space is your creative playground. Wrap it up in the backyard, where the goldfish pond is serving tranquil realness and the fenced yard is ready for BBQs or stargazing sessions. The neighborhood? It's a vibe. Local shops, tasty eats, the library, and the YMCA are just a quick stroll away. Privacy, community, and a whole lot of charm. This place has it all. That's it, folks. Let me know in the comments what you think about this beauty of a home. Like, subscribe, and share it with your friends for them to also see what amazing homes we have. Check out the following video. You won't believe what this one has.